Welcome back, guys. In this lesson we're going to talk about different color tools, and the first color tool we're going to talk about is a color palette generator. We're going to access some various tools that we're going to use to generate colors and generate color ideas for our designs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my browser, be it Chrome, be it Firefox, but I have a Chrome browser right here. I'm going to open the Chrome browser and you visit a website. It's a popular website for designers, Canva. Just visit Canva, and once you're in Canva, you don't need to have an account on Canva. All you have to do is just put a slash and put colors at the back of Canva, and it's going to bring you to these color tools that I'll be using here. I'll be using these 4 color tools in the next 4 lessons, but for now I want to talk about the color palette generator. Let's talk about the color palette generator. And we're going to generate a color palette from this color palette generator. All you have to do is to upload an image to get a color palette. Maybe you have a design you want to work on, or you have a niche, an industry niche you want to work on. You can easily create color palettes using existing design or their brand designs to generate colors, like your color palette for design. So you can create a color palette before you start a design. All I have to do is to upload an image, and it's going to give me color palettes, a color palette that will fit into the image. So I'm going to pick this particular image and I'm going to use it to create a color palette for myself. And yeah, it has 4 color palettes created. It gives us 4 color palettes. Now it gives us these 4 colors, and we're going to use these 4 colors to create palettes in CorelDRAW. So I have to do is to go back to my CorelDRAW software and come here to create styles. So you create new color styles. What you're going to do is to come to the tools of your top bar. So you come to the tools and you see color management, color proof, color styles. This is what we need. We need the color styles. So you're going to pick a color style and you're going to create a new color style. So creating a new color style, you click on create new color style. It brings this new interactive card up, and all you have to do is to use your color eyedropper to maybe pick something here, and it's going to give you access to your X codes. So you can input your X values here. So I'm going to input our first X value, which is I want to use razzmatazz as the first primary color. So we're going to create a color code with razzmatazz. I highlighted Ctrl A and I used Ctrl V to paste what I just copied. So what we're going to do is to pick this and you're going to do okay. So we have razzmatazz here. We have the first color there. You're going to create a new color style again. So I'm going to click on this to create a new color style, and it's going to give me, so you can edit this, you can cancel this and put a new color style again. And what we are going to do is to copy the next color style. So I'm going to use these as well. I'm going to use this as a second color. So I'm going to come back here and paste that. I'm going to Ctrl A to Ctrl highlight all. To highlight all, I'm going to use Ctrl A to highlight all, and I'm going to use Ctrl V to paste what I just copied from the color palette generator. Then I'm going to OK this as well. Then I have the second color right here. I'm going to come to see the third color. You can pick a third color and pick it right here. Then you come to CorelDRAW to create a new color style. Then you edit this, Ctrl A and Ctrl V. Then I'm going to have this OK. Then I have the third color. So we can use these 3 colors as our palette. So right here we've created a color style. I hope to see you there. See you there.